Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales. Located at 12087 62nd Street North, Suites 1 at 2, Largo, Florida. Black Widow is a leader in automotive repairs. Keeping our costs down for our customers is why we are #1 in the business. Being a family-owned business, we know how hard it is to raise a family. That's why we will give you the lowest price possible to keep your car on the road. We handle all automotive repairs, from engines and transmissions, to brake systems, hoses, belts, AC and electrical repairs, even lift kits and much more. There is not a job too big or too small that we can't handle. From custom lighting to fleet repairs, Black Widow handles all of your repair needs. No credit? No problem. Get fast and easy approval in a snap. And with Black Widow you get nationwide worry-free warranty from coast to coast with ProVantage Auto Repair Network.
Black Widow, we are here for you.
At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we are here for you. Call us today.